Here's the video for week 13. And basically what I did on this one, so on exercise 12.4, first of all, I checked everything is correct, so I don't give you any misinformation. So basically on this one, we had to do a partial statement for cash flow here. And what I was doing here is basically find out the difference between the year 2016 and 2017 and record it here and then pass it over here. As you can see, we have a net income of 153,918. So we just go ahead and start with the cash flow from operating activities. We're only going to focus on operating activities, and then we put the net income here first. So we start with the net income that we had up here, 153,918. So we follow out for our net cash provided by operating activities. So this is going to give us these are basically all liabilities and all expenses. So we want to know how much we gain on the earnings on this. So we want to know this number right here. So then we go to depreciation expenses, which it's up here. It's 27,162. We continue, and the difference, as I mentioned here, is just the difference between 2017 and 2016. So for cash, we see that these $6,036 are the difference between 2016 and 2017. We don't have to record cash here. We start with depreciation, and then we have a decrease in accounts receivable. So we can see it here. So we see the 2017 we have less in accounts receivable than we had 2016. Also, we had decrease in inventory as well. You guys can see all these numbers in red. So it's the difference between this 2016 and 17. And then we have prepaid expenses. So actually, prepaid expenses, as you guys can see here, on 2017 we have more prepaid expenses, even though the number is higher, but we paid more. So we paid $5,030 out of our pocket in order to do all these prepaid expenses like prepaid insurance and other stuff. So that's why this was negative. So you put parentheses just to say that's negative. And then we have an increase in accrual expenses. As you can see here, we have an increase of 10,060. Also, we have a decrease in accounts payable. That's why this is negative. You guys can see this is red right here. And then we have a decrease in accounts payable. So that's good because we pay less on that particular year. So our total, it will be 38,228 positive balance, and we add up the initial net income that we have for 2017, and this is how much we end up with net cash provided by operation activities. So it's 192,146. In the other exercises, we'll see the other activities and expenses and stuff, but not in this one. This is only operating activities.